Back with another laundry motivational video. I just picked up another poplin order. Picked up one on the day is yesterday, and it was for a church. Now I picked up another one today, but this one is a requested order from Miss, I believe it's Miss Edith, that requests me, and she also gave me a $15 tip already. So when we get off work at 4 o'clock, we're headed down to pick up the laundry order, and I believe it says it was 2 regular bags, so we won't be up late tonight. So come along with me, guys, and we're going to get this poplin order. All right, guys.
Head west on Hopemont Drive.
It is 4 o'clock, and I am just getting off work. And so now I'm on my way to pick up the requested order that I picked up earlier today.
Take the next right onto Amy Brooks.
I believe it said it was 2 regular size bags. And she normally don't have a whole lot. She normally don't have a whole lot, so I won't be up as late tonight. So thank God for that. But I feel like I do need to take a nap today when I get home, because I was up pretty late doing laundry.
In a quarter mile.
Let's go get this laundry.
Darkest days and the smoke in the sky getting higher.
We have picked up the laundry order, the requested laundry order. Now we're on our way back home. Start on the order. Instead of having 2, she had an extra bag out there, which was 3 regular size bags. So it's still not as much as we had that we picked up on yesterday. So let's go get started on the laundry, and then come back with me tomorrow morning when we drop the laundry off.
I feel the weight of a million loves in the fire. I've been on my own, lost my way back home, and been blinded from the light. I thought I'd be alright. My time has come, laying all of it down. I surrender. Find me in the open, all the good and broken, nothing left unspoken. Oh, I am here, standing here. Find me in the open. Find me in the open. How will I know I'll be safer out there? When all is bare and my sheet isn't there, can I trust you? Can I trust you? Find me in the open, all the good and broken, nothing left unspoken. I am here, standing here. See me in my wholeness, healing.
my way to drop off the requested order that I picked up on yesterday. So come on with me, guys. I don't know why, but my right shoulder is really hurting this morning. So if you see me move a little funny, that's what it is. But we're gonna go ahead and drop off Miss Edith's laundry. Let me see how many pounds she had. I know she didn't have much, but let's see how much she had. Let me check. I'll be right back. She had 32.4 pounds of laundry, which, like I said, she didn't have as much as the lady prior, the church prior. You know, you're about to go drop it off. I was going to pick up a Spark delivery, but wasn't nothing good coming in because they have a incentive going on. And then the last one that came through, I'm like, no, I'm not doing all that just for that. But once we drop this off, we'll put Spark back on and see what's what they have until it's time for me to be to work every night.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my
just dropped off Miss Edith's laundry, and I made like $24 and I think it's 30 cents. I can't remember what the change was, and she gave me a $15 tip. And she didn't have much laundry. So now I put my Spark app on, but I think I'm about to cut it off because I really need to make money because I'm trying to. You guys know I'm trying to get out of debt because that's what this channel is all about. Working these gig jobs so I'm able to get out of debt and get to the life that I want to get to when I retire. And not just when I retire. My goal is within 2 years is to get to the goal I would desire to get to. And that's one, that's not having a lot of debt. Having my car completely paid off. I still have my Amazon credit card, but the uses won't be as high because I won't have other debt to worry about. So, and the largest debt I have right now is my vehicle. And of course, we all know, having a roof over our head, that's getting to be a little outrageous these days. So, like I said, I'm thinking about go home and put a heating pad on my shoulder and wait until it's time for me to go to work at 1 o'clock. You guys be blessed, and thank you so much for coming in and watching my channel, supporting my channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.